In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use eToro market cap. Market cap, short for market capitalization, is simply the total value of a publicly traded company or a crypto asset. It helps you quickly understand the size of what you're looking at, which can hint at potential risk and stability. Larger market caps often indicate more established players. Smaller ones can be more volatile. On eToro, finding this number is straightforward, and I'll walk you through it in a clear, no-fuss way. Start by opening any stock or crypto you're interested in on eToro. If you already have something in mind, use the search bar to find it. Type the asset's name or ticker. Think of a well-known stock or a popular cryptocurrency, and select it from the results to open its page. You'll land on the asset's profile, where you'll see a range of information and tabs designed to help you research. From here, head to the financial section for that asset. This is where eToro organizes key metrics and data points. Once you're in financials, scroll down through the available panels. You're looking specifically for the label that says market cap. It will be listed alongside other core figures, and it's usually easy to spot. When you find market cap, here's what it means. For a stock, it's the share price multiplied by the total number of shares outstanding. In other words, what the market collectively thinks the entire company is worth right now. For a cryptocurrency, market cap generally reflects the current price times the circulating supply, giving you a snapshot of the network's overall value. This number changes throughout the day as prices move, so think of it as a live gauge of size and sentiment. A few quick tips as you read it. Use market cap as a context tool, not a standalone decision maker. It can help you compare the relative scale of different assets. For example, a large cap stock or crypto tends to be more stable than a small cap one, though it may offer slower growth. Smaller caps can move faster, both up and down, so the market cap you see can hint at potential volatility. Also remember, for crypto, circulating supply matters, so market cap can differ from fully diluted values you might see elsewhere. That's all there is to it. Open the asset, go to financials, scroll, and look for market cap to see the total value of the company or crypto. The next time you research on eToro, make this one of the first numbers you check to anchor your understanding. This is not financial advice, just a practical way to read the data more confidently.